Hey Macaroons, how's it going?
Good.
It's been a while. We haven't recorded in a while, right?
Yeah.
So how you been? How was your Christmas?
Awesome.
Yeah, how was your New Year?
Great.
Nice. So tell us what we're doing today, guys.
Today we're gonna be doing the crazy color. Crazy color.
Alright, let's try that again, guys. We actually practiced this.
And
Today we're doing, what are we doing?
Today we're gonna be doing. No, Bridget, you're supposed to.
Oh my
This is horrible.
So, Divya, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna be doing the crazy color milk experiment.
The Crazy Color Milk Experiment. And we're using the supplies that we got on one of our Christmas presents. It is the science kit
From MC Square.
Project
MC Square.
That's right. It's from Project MC2. It's a show on Netflix. It's actually really good. We enjoy it. And yes, Vidya's showing us a little booklet that has little experiments that the kids can do with the supplies that comes in the kit. So yes, one of the experiments is the Crazy Milk, Crazy Color, what is this? Crazy Colors Milk Experiment. So, Vidya, walk us through the supplies we're gonna need.
We need milk, soap, and food coloring.
And food coloring. I love your snazzy science glasses that comes with the kids too. Who feels sciencey?
Me.
Oh my God. All right, so let's put the open your Petri dish. Let's get started. Ready? You open the Petri dish? Perfect. Okay, so the next step is to fill the Petri dish with the milk so you can't see the Petri dish or the table underneath it. So you're gonna take your milk. You're not gonna pour all in, right?
It's so weird.
You can pour a little bit more. Just a little, yeah. Go ahead, Vidya.
Is that good?
You're fine, Vidya. Okay. Set the milk up back on top. So now we are going to add 1 drop of each food coloring all over the milk in the Petri dish. So we've got 4 colors. You're going to take 1 drop of each color and add it to the milk.
Okay, so I got my blue here, and I got my purple.
All right. So let's 1 drop. Alright. Okay, now that we're back, add 1 drop of food coloring in the milk. Alright, take another color.
We'll switch. Yeah, let's switch.
Perfect. Beautiful kaleidoscope I bet this is going to make. Alright, so let's get the instructions. Let's put the food coloring back. Alright, next, now using your pipette, which is the pipette? Show the camera. Perfect. We're going to use it to take 1 drop of soap that's in the small cup there. You could move it closer to you so you don't knock anything over.
Okay, switch.
Put it over the Petri and drop 1 drop in the milk. Let's see what happens. 1 drop.
Whoa, it kind of pushed all of them back.
Well, I guess we should have used more dye. The instructions said to place 1 drop of food coloring all over the mix in the Petri dish.
Look at the thing, it's so cool. Guys, it's definitely a crazy color.
What do you think the purpose of the milk? What do you think is happening here?
Kind of moved the dye backwards so it can like dissolve. So you take, so like first when you take this and you move, like mix it, it kind of makes like a crazy color, but if you put like too much of a more like one color, it will only turn like a that color mud thing.
Well, according to the instructions, it says what's happening here. Milk has a small amount of healthy fat in it. Soap likes to dissolve fats, oils, and dirt likes to dissolve fats, oils, and dirt. Sorry, that's a period. That's why it's used to wash your hands. When we add soap to the milk, the molecules dance around as the soap starts gathering up the fat molecules. The food coloring gets dragged along and we see the colors dance around. I don't know about y'all, but I ain't seen no food coloring dance around.
Should we mix it more?
No, I think, you know what I also think? We, instead of picking up the regular food coloring, we picked up gel. We picked up the gel food coloring and we should have used the water ones that's in the pantry. We took the gel food coloring. So, we can try this experiment again. Mommies and daddies, this is a nice little pack. It comes with all of the supplies necessary for these experiments, as well as a little book and a how-to guide on how to conduct everything. This is the first time we've used it. We had fun and we'll probably be doing more experiments as we move along. What do we want to tell our macaroons?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And check us out